Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Please subscribe so that you will be notified on the next math lesson. Then like and share so that you can also help other students. Our topic for today is to multiply by two-digit numbers. You are going to learn it here, the easy way. Going to learn today how to multiply up to three-digit numbers by a one and two-digit numbers. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. Multiply 51 by 32. Please take note that it will always be easier for us to multiply if we're going to write the numbers vertically. Afterwards, we need to always start multiplying with the ones place value. Therefore, 2 times 1 is 2. Subsequently, we need to multiply the ones place value of the multiplier with the tens place value of the multiplicand. Therefore, 2 times 5 is 10. Accordingly, we finish working on the ones place value of the multiplier. Therefore, we need to put 0 on the ones place value of the answer. Afterwards, we can start working on the tens place value of the multiplier. Therefore, 3 times 1 is 3. Then, 3 times 5 is 15. Afterwards, we can add now the products. We need to always start adding from the ones place value, okay? So, 2 plus 0 is 2. After adding the ones place value, we can move now to the tens place value. Therefore, 0 plus 3 is 3. Next, we can add now the hundreds place value. 1 plus 5 is 6. And we can bring down the 1 since there's no more addends. Therefore, our answer is 1,632. Can you follow? It is easy, right? Let us work on another example so that you can understand it well. Multiply 27 by 81. Our first step is to write the numbers vertically. Then, we're going to multiply the ones place value. 1 times 7 is 7. Afterwards, working on the ones place value of the multiplier with the tens place value of the multiplicand, 1 times 2 is 2. Considering that we finished working on the ones place value of the multiplier, we can move now to the tens place value. Therefore, we're going to write 0 on the ones place value of the answer. Following that step, we can multiply now 8 times 7, which will give us 56. We can write down the 6 on the tens place value of the answer and carried over the 5 on the tens place value of the multiplicand. Furthermore, we can work now on 8 times 2, which will give us 16, plus 5 on the carried over number will give us 21. Afterwards, we can start adding the product. Always remember, start adding with the ones place value. Therefore, 7 plus 0 is 7. After working on the ones place value, we can move now to the tens place value. 2 plus 6 is 8. Seeing that we do not have any addends, we can just bring down the 21. Therefore, 27 times 81 will give us 2,187. It is easy, right? Let's work on another example so that you can understand it well. Multiply 123 by 12. Writing the numbers vertically, we can start with the ones place value. Accordingly, 2 times 3 is 6. Afterwards, 2 times 2 is 4. Following that, 2 times 1 is 2. Consequently, we finish working on the ones place value of the multiplier. We can move now to the tens place value. Therefore, we can write 0 on the ones place value of the answer. After that, 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. And 1 times 1 is 1. Adding the product, Always remember, start adding in the ones place value. Therefore, 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. Working on the tens place value next, 4 plus 3 is 7. Following that will be on the hundreds place value. Therefore, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Since we do not have any addends, we can just bring down the 1. Correspondingly, 123 times 12 will give us 1,476. To wrap it up in multiplying numbers, always write it vertically to make it easier for you. Then start working with the ones place value. In this regard, 2 times 1 is 2. Next, multiply the ones place value of the multiplier with the tens place value of the multiplicand. Therefore, 2 times 5 is 10. After you finish working on the ones place value of the multiplier, you can move now to the tens place value. Therefore, you need to put 0 on the ones place value of the answer. Then, start working on the tens place value. Therefore, 3 times 1 is 3. And 3 times 5 is 15. Accordingly, you can start adding the products. Always remember, start with the ones place value. 2 plus 0 is 2. After adding the ones place value, you can add now the tens place value. 0 plus 3 is 3. Then we can move now to the hundreds place value. 1 plus 5 is 6. Since we do not have addends anymore, we can just bring down the 1. As a result, 51 times 32 will give us 1,632. It is very easy, right? Always remember the steps. I will never stop reminding you what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in the dark alley. We need to give importance to our education so that we're not going to be blindfolded in our future. In case you have confusion on some part of the lesson, I want you to go back and revise it again. Watch it slowly, step by step, and I know you can get it. Our life is always a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positive. Always want you to score high in math and be wise and healthy. Okay? Till next math lesson, be safe. Bye-bye.